Hi there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia and welcome to the Cozy Build. We noticed we have a lot of builds that are geared towards FPS gamers, so we wanted to bring it down a notch and dedicate a build to you cozy gamers out there. We hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, please let us know in the comments down below so we can make more just like this. Like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Remember to ding the bell to be notified every time we upload. And while you're still here, check out either of the Thermaltake videos that are on the screen and we'll see you next time. Bye!